Hello, kids. A is for apple. B is for ball. A, B. Hello, kids. C is for cat. D is for dog. C, D. Hello, kids. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. G, H. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. I, J. K is for kite. L is for lion. K, L. Hello, kids. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O, orange. P, panda. O, P. Hello, kids. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. Q, R. S is for sun. T is for tiger. S, T. Hello, kids. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W, whale. X, X-ray. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra. Y, Z. Great job, kids! Don't forget to like and subscribe! See you next time! Bye-bye!